When it comes to ensuring safety for your kids or the elderly, it's always important to have a specific mat in the tub to prevent unwanted slippage and painful accidents. This large bathtub anti-slip mat by Secoped is secure and comfortable to use. It has 200 suction cups, which provides a strong grip to the surface. It also has 176 drain holes to clear out the water quickly and makes sure that there isn't a moist underside left over. This bath mat is 40 by 16 inches and it should cover the full bathtub so your child or the elderly are protected. It's easy to install, clean, and store by rolling it up to save space. Soak the bath mat in warm water for a few minutes to remove any dirt and allow the mat to unfold before first use. Then press the suction cups with your hands or walk on them to hold the bath mat in place. You can also put this in your rectangle-shaped shower floor. This anti-slip bath mat is not only mildew resistant, but the special design of the surface material makes it more comfortable for children to step on. It is made from PVC material and it is machine washable. You, your child, or the elderly are ready to use it without any worry. You can also remove it freely by easily lifting and peeling the mat off the floor as well. It's very effective and of good quality. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos like these.